inside your digestive system, the journey of every bite. Hey there, friends, and welcome to Meaningful Living. My name is Michelle, and it's so good to have you here. Paul and I are constantly searching for the most helpful and interesting information to share with you, and today's topic is something that touches every single one of us. How are you doing today? Are you feeling good? Please drop a few words in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And speaking of feeling good, if you've been spending time in your garden lately, remember to take care of yourself. Drink plenty of water and listen to your body. Today, we're going to talk about something incredibly important and surprisingly complex: nutrition. We all know we have to eat, but have you ever stopped to think about how much of an impact what we eat has on our entire being, from our physical health to our emotions? But first, let's dive into some fascinating facts about our digestive system that you may not have known. It's truly an amazing part of our body that works hard to keep us healthy. 1. Your stomach can hold about 1.5 liters of food and liquid. It's a lot bigger than you might think. 2. Did you know the small intestine is about 20 feet long, while the large intestine is only about 5 feet? The small intestine is where over 90% of digestion and nutrient absorption happens. 3. The digestion process starts the moment you begin to chew. Your salivary glands produce saliva, a special digestive juice, to moisten food and help it travel smoothly through your GI tract. 4. Speaking of the GI tract, it's home to more than 500 species of bacteria, all working together to help you stay healthy. 5. Your stomach's main digestive juice is called hydrochloric acid, and it's so strong it could burn your skin. But don't worry, your stomach protects itself with a thick layer of mucus. Without that layer, the acid could actually digest the stomach itself. 6. Digestion is a 6-step process. These 6 main activities are ingestion, propulsion, mechanical digestion, chemical digestion, absorption, and finally, defecation. 7. Your pancreas is a glandular organ located behind your stomach. It produces a powerful cocktail of enzymes that flow into your small intestine to help break down food. 8. The stomach has 3 muscle layers that churn food to break it down. 2 of these layers move food through the digestive tract with rhythmic contractions, and the 3rd layer is unique to the stomach, helping it mix everything up. 9. The duodenum, which is the first part of your small intestine, is where most of the heavy-duty chemical digestion occurs. It's where your pancreas, gallbladder, and liver all release their digestive juices to work on the food coming from your stomach. 10. Our digestive system is a truly incredible and complex machine. Taking good care of it is one of the best things we can do for our overall health. Every morning, we wake up, have breakfast, sip our coffee, and rush into the day, rarely stopping to think about what's going on inside our bodies. We don't usually pause to consider the incredible universe within us. Our bodies are remarkable biological systems, with each organ playing its own unique role. From organs to tissues to tiny cells, everything works together in perfect harmony to keep us functioning and thriving. Today, let's slow down for a moment and take a closer look at one of our most important internal systems, the digestive system. So, picture this. You're biting into a sandwich or enjoying a bowl of soup, and you probably don't think much about what happens next, right? But honestly, what goes on inside your body after that is pretty amazing. First stop, the mouth. That's where it all begins. Your teeth start breaking food down, and your saliva already kicks off the digestion of carbs. Yep, digestion starts before you even swallow. Saliva's no joke. It's full of enzymes that begin breaking complex stuff into simpler bits. Then you swallow, and here comes the esophagus, not just a boring tube. It uses these cool wave-like movements called peristalsis to gently push the food down to your stomach. Smooth and efficient. No traffic jams here. Now the stomach. That's where the real magic happens. Food gets mixed with stomach acid and enzymes that break down proteins. Your stomach is like a blender and a chemistry lab rolled into one. And get this, it's so powerful that if it didn't have a protective lining, it could digest itself. Wild, right? Next up, the small intestine. This is where the real nutrient party happens. Bile from your liver helps break down fats, and enzymes from your pancreas take care of the rest. Proteins, carbs, all that. The good stuff, vitamins, minerals, amino acids, gets absorbed into your bloodstream like a super organized delivery system. What's left over heads to the large intestine. Here, your body grabs any remaining water, and then, well, you know the rest. So yeah, digestion is a seriously well-designed process. And the better we eat, the easier we make it for our bodies. No wonder they say, you are what you eat. Let's start with this. Food is so much more than just fuel. It's a personal and cultural experience. Every community around the world has its own culinary traditions passed down through generations. These traditions are often referred to as ethnic nutrition, and they've sustained people for centuries. But in our modern world, these traditions are being challenged. Globalization and constant access to all kinds of food have created a situation where we're losing touch with what our bodies are naturally designed to eat. We're now living in a time when food can either heal or harm. 1/3 of the world's population struggles with obesity. Another third is undernourished or has an imbalanced diet, and a final third sees their lives shortened due to poor nutrition. Just imagine that. What we put on our plates can influence our energy, our focus, our mood, and even how long we live. So what exactly is nutrition? At its core, nutrition is the process of taking in food and using its components to fuel and maintain the body. Food plays 3 main roles in our health. The first is the structural role. The nutrients we get from food are the building blocks of our bones, muscles, heart, lungs, skin, and brain. The second role is energetic. When the body breaks down food, it releases energy. That energy powers everything we do, from movement to thinking. The third role is protective. Good quality food strengthens our immune system and helps us defend against illness. Now, let's explore where all this magic happens, in the gastrointestinal tract, also known as the GI tract. It starts in the mouth and includes the esophagus, stomach, and intestines. As food travels through, it's broken down, processed, and absorbed. Here's something fascinating. The GI tract has its own nervous system. It's sometimes called our second brain, and it actually contains more nerve cells than the spinal cord. This system connects directly to the brain areas responsible for memory and emotions. That means what we eat affects how we feel and even how clearly we think. Another incredible part of digestion is the world of microorganisms in our gut. These microbes aren't just passive passengers, they play a big role in our health. In fact, the genetic material of gut microbes is 100 to 150 times greater than our own. They influence our biological age, body shape, and even mental performance. Our GI system has many important tasks: chewing, moving food along, breaking it down, absorbing nutrients, and finally, eliminating waste. But when we eat poorly, too much sugar, too little fiber, or too many processed foods, we disrupt the system. And when our gut is out of balance, it can lead to fatigue, depression, memory loss, and even chronic diseases. That's why taking care of your nutrition isn't a passing trend. It's essential. Now, let's talk about the different types of nutrition. First, we have rational or healthy nutrition. This usually refers to the natural, regional foods that our ancestors ate, the ones suited to the climate and culture we were born into. For many people, this kind of eating supports balance and health. Next is therapeutic nutrition. This is when food is used as a tool to support specific health issues. For example, someone with diabetes might follow a diet that keeps blood sugar levels in check. Then there's preventive nutrition. This means eating with the goal of avoiding disease, staying healthy through the seasons of life, and matching your diet to your activity level and age. Finally, there's functional nutrition. This type of eating is designed to reduce the risk of widespread health problems like cancer or diabetes across entire populations. By learning more about these types of nutrition, you can make informed choices that support your individual health needs. Thank you so much for joining me today. We've covered a lot, but the key message is simple. What you eat matters. It affects your body, your mind, and your entire quality of life. So, how do you make sure you're eating well and nourishing your body? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Your experience might inspire someone else. If you found this video helpful, please share it with a friend. And don't forget to subscribe to Meaningful Living for more practical insights and thoughtful conversations about wellness, balance, and joyful living. Until next time, take good care of yourself from the inside out.